The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about the Nokia C2 Tava for Pocket Wireless. So this is a new phone for Pocket Wireless. This is kind of like a budget mid-range smartphone here. It's available now for $199.99. So the price is just that this is a budget phone, alright? So this is what the phone looks like. It looks like it has like stock Android on it. Probably has an Android deal on it. As you guys can see from the icon, it has Android yellow, I would think. So pretty interesting there. So anyways, the Nokia C2 Tava has a power button on the right side, on the right side as well. And I think this is probably a I'm not sure what key this is. Probably maybe Google Assistant. I don't know. But you also have the front-facing camera, earpiece, and you also have you also have the Nokia logo right here. On the left side of the phone, you do have that button. I don't know what that button does. I don't know. On the back of the Nokia C2 Tava, there's dual cameras, camera flash, Nokia logo, cricket branding, and your speaker right here on the back. And the phone looks like it's blue, so pretty cool, I guess. And it's available in tempered blue. So there you have it. So it says here, the pocket size Nokia C2 Tava is perfect for binge watching your favorite content on the go with impressive clarity of the 5.45-inch HD plus display. It provides up to 32 gigabytes of user memory, so there is always enough room for your apps, pics, and videos. The dual rear cameras are optimized so you can get great portraits, vibrant pictures, and low light and AI imaging that gives you the best settings to every shot. Use Face Unlock for added security and convenience, and access Google Assistant with just a push of a button. So that's what that key is on the left. That is to access your Google Assistant on the phone. So you press that button on the left side of the phone, and your Google Assistant will show up. So that's pretty cool. The Nokia C2 Tava offers high value features from a brand you know and trust at a value that gives you something to smile about. So pretty cool. So specs on here are not too bad. I mean, it's a budget phone, so not terrible. So you do have a 5.45-inch HD plus display with hardened glass. We don't know what type of glass it is. You do have a quad-core processor and 4G LTE. Dual rear cameras with improved low light performance and AI assisting imaging. Face unlock for security and quick access. 3000 mAh battery keeps you going longer with 2 days battery life, and you also have Android 10 on board. So not too bad. Specs in here are pretty decent, Features, always get the best shot. The 8 megapixel autofocus main camera enhanced with AI captures better images even if difficult conditions. 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel dual rear cameras with depth sensing technology snaps beautiful portraits of your family and friends. The portrait mode have your subject pop out of the picture and shape the background with artistic looking styles. So you do have a 2 megapixel depth sensing camera on the rear. Premium features with signature Nokia quality. Advanced Face Unlock lets you conveniently and securely unlock your phone by simply looking at the display. Built to withstand everyday bumps and fumbles, C2 Tava provides the rigid consumers expect from Nokia. And we'll see about that. Optimized for everyday performance. The 3000 mAh battery is the 3000 mAh battery is augmented with AI assisted adaptive battery technology, which learns how you use your phone and prioritizes battery life to your most used apps. So pretty cool. Like I said, the Nokia C2 Tava has an Android 10. Your dimensions on the C2 are 5.87 inches height, 2.83 inches width, and 0.35 inches depth. Screen size is 5.45 inches, that is HD plus. And you do have all glasses, but I'm not sure what kind of glasses it is. 32 gigabytes of internal storage, and micro SD cards are up to 128 gigs. I think it's 2 gigabytes of RAM, maybe 2 gigs, I think. You do have 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, Type-C charging, mobile hotspot, of course, which you will have to pay extra for that. The cameras on the C2 are 8 megapixel main, plus a 2 megapixel depth sensing camera on the rear with flash, and you also have a 5 megapixel camera on the front. Like I said, you do have 3000 mAh battery and you also have handheld compatibility there. So pretty cool. You do have some accessories for the phone. So I don't know if you guys want to, but if you guys want the accessories for the phone, try Amazon and see if there is any accessories for the Nokia C2 Tava. So there's any accessories for that. I don't know if there's any accessories for this phone this year on Amazon, but you can try to look and see if there's any there. So yeah, there you guys have it. The Nokia C2 Tava is now equipped wireless for $199.99. This is a better smartphone. Specs on her are pretty decent. You do get 30 gigabytes of storage, which is okay. I mean, it's better than nothing. You do get Android 10, mobile hotspot, 4G LTE, so pretty cool. And you also get Type-C charging, so that's a plus right there. It looks like it has Android Bill on there, but I'm not too sure about that. So yeah, there you guys have it. The Nokia C2 Tava now available equipped wireless for $199.99. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.